I'm Adam Sick, also known as the Cult Kid, and this is my bike check. To start off, I ride Shadow 138 grips, the Trey Jones signature, with Cult bar ends, what's left of them, Cult leader bars, 8.25 height, Shadow Strike front load stem, 48mm reach, with an Odyssey fork bolt, and Odyssey Freestyle F25 forks. I run a solid peg in the front, I like metal pegs, I don't like plastic, with a Shadow Raptor, or Stun, complete front wheel. There's a Shadow Raptor hub and a Shadow Stun front rim with a Shadow Overtaker tire. I ride a We the People A to B frame with a 20.8 length in the top tube. Ride a Shadow Corvus headset, Shadow Corvus bottom bracket with a Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Shadow Scream sprocket, 25 tooth. Polished. It's actually wrought out. So are my cranks. They're Subressa bitchin'. I ride Shadow Conspiracy PC pedals. And in the back, I have an Animal Javelin hub with Primo spokes laced to an Animal RS rim. I ride an Odyssey Path tire in the back, which is 2 times 0.10. And I ride an Animal Wedge seat post and a Subressa Forever pivotal seat. Thanks for watching my bike check. Comment, rate, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Peace.